When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so fucking special.
She came from Greece, she had a thirst for knowledge. She studied sculpture at St. Martin's College. That's where I caught her eye. She told me that the damp was loaded. I said, in that case I'll have rum and Coca-Cola. She said, fine. And then in 30 seconds time, she said, I wanna live like common people. I wanna do whatever common people do. Wanna sleep with common people. I wanna sleep with common people like you. What else could I do? I said, oh, I'll see what I can do. I took her to a supermarket. I don't know why, but I had to start it somewhere. So it started there. I said, pretend you got no money. And she just laughed and said, oh, you're so funny. I said, yeah. I can't see anyone else smiling here. Are you sure? You wanna live like common people. You wanna see whatever common people see. Wanna sleep with common people. You wanna sleep with common people like me. But she didn't understand. And she just smiled and held my hand. I went to flash.
Tú que has sangrado tantos meses de tu vida, perdóname antes de empezar, soy engreída y lo sabes bien. A ti que tienes siempre caldo en la nevera, tú que podrías acabar con tantas guerras, escúchame. Mamá, 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 paremos la ciudad, sacando un pecho fuera al puro estilo de la croix. Mamá, mamá, mamá.
El alcohol en España siempre ha sido medicina popular, para todo. Tengo problemas, cubata. Yo no tengo ninguno, cubata. Tengo un examen, cubata. Me ha salido muy bien, cubata. Me ha salido de puta pena, 2 cubatas. No hay que abusar tampoco.